Hello, my name is Kim Soyun and 13 years old, and I'm also student of Winosori Academy. Let me tell you the recipe for tteokbokki, which is my favorite food. The ingredients for tteokbokki are tteokbokki duck, fish cake, green onion, and sauce. I also make my own sauce. I need sugar, red pepper paste, soy sauce, and red pepper powder in the sauce. First, make the sauce. Add 3 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of red pepper paste, 2 spoons of soy sauce, and 1.5 spoons of red pepper powder and mix them. Now that the sauce is done, put tteokbokki duck and fish cake in the pot, and put 2 cups of water in the pot. If there is broth, use it instead of water. It tastes better. After adding the sauce, mix it and add the green onion to complete the delicious tteokbokki. This upcoming vacation, cook and eat with the tteokbokki recipe I mentioned, and have a fun vacation. Thank you.